Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own drum kit in Logic Pro. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now tap the plus button at the top of your track list to create a new track. Alright, like so. Now select software instrument as a track uh, type, and yeah, now what we can do is here select from here instrument plugin slot, uh, scroll down and locate drum machine designer. So right here we will need to find drum machine designer. We can also put it in search drum machine designer. As you can see now we have it right here, some uh, options, and what we can do, we can select one and put it in right here, and we can just like so get uh, how we want it. Now also what we can do is another way. So if we press again plus icon and we are season player right here, this bottom icon where you see drums, click on it and it will open up the drums right over here. All right. Now, if you click here, these drums, you will see that we can adjust everything that we want. So we have here this kick, smash, and this chord rhythm. Uh, we can also change the acoustic drummer. So from pop rock, we can go to hard rock, retro, funk rock, songwriter, and so on. So we can really change a lot. Uh, we have also here details, so we can really adjust these drums how we prefer. Now, also what we can do. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next